you're logged in, it's really not that difficult. I think where people are having a problem the most is knowing what to do specifically when you go to do the assignment. And the biggest problem is you go to the assignment and then you're not sure how to type things in. So people are sending me typed sheets or emails, and I can't put that in to the gradebook. You've got to do it through Edmodo. So I prepared a little video here so that you can go step by step. So here we are. You're all logged in. Your name is here. Your school, what class you're associated with. Now I joined Corral 1718. Okay, I'm not going to write in here for my assignment. I'm going to come over here. This is my current assignment, Weekly Journal 3. Okay, I'm going to click on that. Loading. Okay, now it says your work is empty. Most of you don't read this. Click below to add a text response or to attach files. See this wonderful little thing here? It says create. We are going to click on create. Now, text response is next. You're going to click that. I don't want any attachments. No attachments. None. Okay, you're going to type in here. Now, what do you type? Well, let's look over here. Oh, look at that. I'm going to click on that. It's an attachment. Here's our smart thing. So, specific. State exactly what you want to accomplish. Let's go back. S. I want to... what should I do? Let's say I want to learn to ride a llama. Period. That's S. Now then we go back and look. M. Measurable. How you demonstrate and evaluate that your goal was met. Okay. M. How am I going to measure this? I want to learn to ride a llama. Now, how am I going to do that? I don't know. Well, maybe that is way too big of an idea. Maybe I want to learn how to, let's say, climb on top of a llama. That's a better idea. Okay? It is a much smaller task. Okay? So how am I going to measure that? Well, I am going to video myself. Okay? So I might send my teacher a link with every journal of me trying to get on top of a llama. Okay? So that later on I can change my goal to be being able to ride a llama. So let me go. A, is your goal achievable and how can it be accomplished? Okay, is my goal achievable? Do I own a llama? Yes, I own a llama. Okay, and how can it be accomplished? Okay, well, I am going to put the llama in its pen and attempt to climb on top of the llama. R, is it relevant? Is your goal worthwhile? If this class were about riding llamas, this would be a relevant goal, goal to accomplish in this class. Is it what you need to work on right now? I cannot get on top of a llama. I've never done that. So yes, it is something I should be working on. Now, T, time. What is your target date? I know this is going to take me weeks. Okay, so I might say 4 weeks from now or the end of the quarter. Okay, so once I have all this stuff in, okay, here we go. I am going to go over to this lovely little area here. It says turn in assignment, and I'm going to click on it. See, click turn in to submit, and once I do it, it's done.